Welcome back, guys. Rob from myppctraining.com. Today's video, I'm going to go through 4 key AdWords optimization tactics that you should be implementing into every single campaign that you're working on, and just kind of look at this as a checklist. All right, and it's going to be very powerful, and you're going to definitely be able to turn some campaigns around that are failing you currently. Alright guys, so today we're going to go through the 4-step AdWords optimization checklist I've created. Now this is really simple. It's number 1, device bids, number 2, keyword bids, number 3, ad text, and number 4 is adding converting keywords and negativing out keywords that are crap. Very simple. And this is, keep in mind, this is not really advanced stuff, okay? This is just basic, simple things that you need to do in order to optimize a lead generation AdWords campaign to run successfully and not crush you. All right, so let's go right into the first one, which is device bids. Go into your campaign. We'll be in our white label campaign. Come down here to devices, and you'll see here you have 3 options: computers, tablets, mobile phones. Very simply, all we're going to do is look at the data from the past 30 to 60 days of your campaign. You're going to see what is converting and if the conversion rate is acceptable, and what is not converting or converting very poorly and sending really high leads. You're going to adjust your device bids accordingly by doing this, okay? Come here. So let's say our computer bids are doing really well. We're going to jack it up to, we already did it, but you can see 25% from 0, all right? We're getting leads from desktop at a price we want. We want more of them. This device is sending us the most leads. We're going to increase the bids on it, okay? And then you hit save. Next, let's say tablets are doing okay. We don't have enough data yet, obviously, in this one. And you want to get more. Leads from tablet. You would increase that. Same thing. Come in here, increase 10%. Save. Now let's say mobile phones where we got a ton of clicks, no leads, got totally crushed. We would decrease. Okay. So now when it comes to decreasing your bids, I wouldn't. We turned mobile off in this campaign, so ignore that. Like, let's say we had 15 clicks for mobile and no leads. I wouldn't go right to 100%. I would decrease it by like 30 and let that go first, because you might just had a bad run. You know, it happens. It really does. So incrementally decrease and incrementally increase. Don't just go 0 to 25. Go up in 5 to 10% increments when you're increasing bids on devices. All right, so really simple. 30,000 foot view, increase what's winning for you, decrease what's losing for you. That's it. All right, that's number 1. Number 2, keyword bids. At the campaign level, go into keywords. Ignore we have auto bid. Most of you guys probably have manual bid set up. So what we're going to do, sort by clicks. And if you don't have these columns, easily come up here, modify columns. Choose the categories, choose the boxes you want to see. Really easy. Hit apply. So sort by clicks, and we're going to do the same drill. We're going to look at what converted. We're going to increase bids on what's converting at an acceptable cost for us. We're going to decrease bids on what's not converting. It doesn't get more simple than that. And if you have a keyword, and this is just my best practice, that has 15 clicks and no leads, instead of decreasing bids on it, just pause it. 15 clicks is a lot, especially if it's an exact or phrase match keyword. If it's broad match, which you shouldn't be running broad match anyway. Just don't run on broad match. I'm not even gonna get into that right now before I stress myself out with it. So if it's exact or phrase match and you got 15 clicks, just pause it. It's not converting. Cut the dead weight and focus on your winners. So that's it for keyword bids. We're going to again increase bids on winners, couple dollars, $2, $3, whatever you're comfortable with, and we're going to decrease bids a couple dollars on the losers. Next, we're going to go to ad text, and I like to do this at the ad group level and just go into each ad group at a time. Come into the ad group, go up here to ads and extensions to see your ads for that ad group. Same drill, guys. We're going to look at what converts. We're not going to optimize based on click-through rate. I know some of you do that. You don't want to do that, okay? Click-through rate's great, but leads are more important. So what we're going to do is come in here. We're going to look at what's converting and anything that's not converting. And I don't have enough data here, obviously, guys. So let's say this is our winning ad, and then this one down here, this one right here also is getting leads, and these two have no leads, but they have clicks and impressions. We are going to pause the 2 that have no conversions. The 2 that have conversions, we're going to keep. We're going to pause the 2 that don't and create 2 more new ads with new copy to run against the winners. And you want to optimize this every 30 to 60 days. Some people do it every week. I think that's overkill. I do it every 30 to 60 days. All right, so that's tactic number 3. Tactic number 4 is keywords. So we're going to come back out to the campaign level of the campaign. So you do that by coming over here in your navigation, clicking the campaign title. We're going to go into keywords. Come up here to search terms. Search terms. Now, you might be thinking, what the hell is a search term? Search term is the actual raw query typed into Google that triggered your ad to show. Now, what we're going to do is, you can see we've added these keywords. These were keywords we were not bidding on before. So this keyword drove 2 leads. This one drove 1 lead. So let's say we want to add these, like, oh shit, like we're getting leads from this keyword that we're not bidding on. We definitely want that. You check them. Go here, add as keyword. Now, very important. It's going to add them as broad match keywords. You do not want to do that, okay? Put brackets around them to make them exact, or you can do them phrase match. It's up to you. I always add them as exact because it's the exact keyword that sent the conversion. Brackets around them, and you can see here it'll automatically drop them into the correct ad group. Hit save, and you just added 2 winning keywords that sent you leads that you were not bidding on before. Now, this keyword sent a lead, but it's a lead we probably don't want. It's about a software. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to negative out the keyword. So you click it, check the box, come up here to add as negative keyword, do it at the campaign level, and we're going to add it. It automatically puts it as exact match. We're going to exact match negative this out, hit save. You can see I already did it. Next thing we're going to do is take the root keyword, okay, which is software. Copy that. We do not want our ads to show for anything that has to do with software. In this instance, this is not for your guys' campaigns, okay? This is for my campaign. So don't get that confused. So we don't want our ads to show for software. So we're gonna take that root keyword that we found in the search terms report, come here to negative keywords, come here to campaign level. You can do it to ad group too, but that's for another video. For today, we're gonna do everything campaign level. And you want to add it as phrase match software. So now by doing this, we're telling Google we do not want our ad to be triggered for any search query that has the word software in it. Hit save, and you just add that to your negative keywords. All right, so that's really it with search terms. And obviously, this is a shitty data set. I have like what, 13 keywords. If you're running AdWords consistently, you're going to have like 100 or more keywords in here in your search terms report. So you got to go through each one of them and decide whether you want to negative it out or add it in if it's converting. And you want to find root keywords like for us it was software, like root keywords that you do not want your ads to show for. And you want to do this every week. Okay, very, very important. This is how you auto-optimize a campaign that will continually every week get better and better. I mean, ideally, you want to do all of these every week except for ad text. So that's it, guys, for these 4 tips. Let me know if you have any questions about them in the comments below, in the comment section below the video. Make sure you subscribe to our channel, give me a thumbs up, and check out the links in the description. I put some cool stuff in there for you.